Uh-oh.
Oh.
Up that.
Uh-oh. Wow.
Yep. Hey, B.
What's up, Gonzo?
We find ourselves in Tennessee.
I like
Right?
Tennessee.
Doing a car stop, you run plates, right? Not well to make a car stop, you run plates and
Yep.
see what comes up.
Yep.
Well, on this vehicle, a wanted suspect popped up on the officer's MDT, so he's going to
Okay.
be conducting a car stop.
All right.
Roll it, Steve.
Which this happens all the time, every day.
Yep.
You're, especially here in Vegas, when you're bored, you're not doing calls for service, you run plates while you're driving. If you
Find
have,
all kinds of good stuff.
Yep. If you have warrants, when we run your plate, it comes back,
Look how dark these windows.
and we have the
Are.
right to stop you.
Look how dark those windows are.
Yeah. Okay.
Just bring your bag out here. Ma'am, stop going through it. Come step right back here. What did you take out of it?
Nothing. I was
Okay, okay. All right, listen. Just come back here. I think we're getting off on the wrong foot, okay?
Because I'm really confused on why I'm getting
He's
stopped.
got several warrants.
Okay, that has nothing to do with me.
You don't know who's in the car.
Nobody's in my car.
Well, now I know that. However,
Yep.
now I'm going to address the other problems.
Okay, so you want my bag and all my belongings.
So just step right back here
Can I use the restroom?
and let you know there's
No.
an audio and
That's
video
suspicious
recording.
right there, right?
Okay.
Man, I'd be shutting that door on that car real quick.
More, that would be-
Yeah, he didn't ask for her bag and all that stuff. He just asked for her license
Look.
and registration. Proof of insurance.
Viewing drive and
Yeah.
for church, viewing drive and for church.
Can we step back here?
21 to 23, DEV code 3.
Negative, just code 2. So it's just in here?
So everything's so far so good.
Yeah.
His partner asked him if he wanted to roll code to him, like if it was an emergency, which
Yeah.
it's not.
Bag of weed just pulled out.
Does anybody care about a bag of weed anymore?
Not these days. Anyway, it's just a citation. You know, back before it was a citation, for us,
Citation,
right?
yeah. Well, now it's legal, so
Yeah.
most places it's legal, so
Yep.
nobody cares about weed anymore.
Except at the airport.
You can't bring nothing in the airport. They'll get you.
I can be in a couple minutes.
Brick Church
Brick Church.
and Ewing.
So he's still asking for backup units. So he's probably going to take this woman into custody, you think?
Well, we're watching this video, so I'm assuming something bad's going to probably happen.
Yeah, that's true.
Disregard, actually, disregard on that.
Unless you guys are throwing a curveball to
One
me.
thing,
and
one
this
thing
is-
I noticed is
turns
that
out being good.
he now goes to his office. He's been doing all of his business in the back
Yeah,
of her car, which
yeah.
is not what you're supposed to be doing.
Right. She should be at the front of his
Yep.
car,
Yep.
making phone calls and talking. This way you can see her, you know, keep an eye on her.
Yep.
Just going back and forth into the car stuff, that's not good at all.
And he kind of knows that. He says to stay out of the car.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So you can do all that business at the front of your police car where you're comfortable, and now she can't keep going in and out of the car.
Yep.
You know, when I was dealing with people, if they said, "Can I have a smoke?" I let them smoke. It didn't bother me.
Yep.
I didn't care. Sometimes if it's going to relax them and make everything better, so I did. A lot of
I
cops are
did
like, "No,
too.
you can't smoke,"
I did too.
because they're worried about getting a cigarette thrown at them or something. I don't care about a lit cigarette coming at me.
Uh-oh. He's in.
Never done
Yep.
anything wrong.
Ma'am.
No, don't.
You're about to get paid.
Oh,
Get out. Get down on the ground. Down on the ground.
you don't want to go to jail.
Taser's out.
Oh, taser's out.
Oh.
See it? See how
Didn't
the
work,
taser was in?
didn't work.
See how the taser was in the left hand? Notice that?
Dry stun. Up that.
Oh, all right. So she's locked up now,
Yep.
so she can't move.
Put the gun down. Put the gun down.
Wow.
43
Yep.
shots fired. Shots fired.
I got the goosebumps.
Yeah.
Gonzo like you.
Wow, dude. He got
That happened quick.
hit
Sweaty
too.
palms. Where's she going? She's driving away
Gone,
shot.
dude. Yeah. She
Got
got
his
hit.
taser cartridges on the
Yeah, and
ground.
I think is that a gun right there? She's gone, and she's gone. His gun's right there.
Okay, so dash cam.
Yeah, that's when she's locked up.
She's locked up.
Ma'am, put the gun down. Put the gun down.
It's a tight fit uniform on her.
Ooh. Wow.
43 shots fired. Shots fired.
Okay, so he's shot. Probably twice.
Why is he still shooting right now? Why isn't he just shooting right now?
I think he's in shock. I think he's really in shock. He just shot her, and she shot him.
Yeah.
Again, cops are human, so he just got shot, and yeah, he's kind of freaking out, rightfully so. What happened at the end there?
That was it.
Oh, she just drove away.
He just drove away.
Business as usual.
I think she ended up dying down the street.
GSW's in her body.
Yeah.
She died.
Yeah.
That's a shame.
Yeah, and the bullet went under his vest.
It always does. It always does.
But my problem was that he conducted all of his business in the back of her car.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. That's not how we do it here in Vegas. But everything should have been done at the front of the police car, and that would negate everything that happened to him coming up to getting shot.
Listen, I'm gonna point out the elephant in the room. Right? He was a big boy.
He was a big boy.
Right?
Yeah.
I think that might have played a little bit of a part on how he could take better control of her. Right?
Yeah.
I mean, I think you gotta take care of yourself when you're out there, man.
You gotta
fight for your life.
You gotta train. I've been saying that since day one as I was a cop. You gotta train, man. You gotta stay in shape. You gotta jiu-jitsu, weightlifting. You gotta stay in shape because,
well,
like
especially in this town, UFC capital of the world.
Yes, this is Fight Town, USA, and if you're not training here as a cop or a security guard, you're wrong. You need to be doing so. I like jiu-jitsu. I'm a big jiu-jitsu guy. I've been doing it for years. To me, that's probably the best thing for cops because you can control people. You don't have to hurt them.
Yeah.
You're not punching them on camera. You're not kicking them. So it looks good on camera.
Yeah.
And you're just holding them until your buddies get
Your
there.
backup
You're
gets there.
holding them till the cavalry arrives.
Well, his backup was 3 to 4 minutes away.
Right.
Right. So our backup is literally 30 seconds away.
And he was such a big boy. I don't understand why when he grabbed her arm, he didn't just lay back and pull her right out of that car. But she was a big girl too.
Yeah.
One thing I saw that I didn't like is at one point he pulled out his firearm and he still had his taser in the other hand.
Yeah.
That is a big no-no. You don't do that. I get it because she had a gun.
Yeah.
But you know what you do when you have something in your hand, when you need to get to your firearm, America, you drop it. Whatever's in your hand, get rid of it. You don't need it.
Yep.
Drop the taser and put two hands on your firearm because two-hand shooting,
better platform.
Two-hand shooting is always going to beat one-handed shooting. Always. So. How many donuts?
Hold on one second. Let me say this to you. He was already going to arrest her, right?
Yeah.
Because he said, turn around.
Correct. Yep.
I would have said, if it was me, hey, listen, I'm going to give you a citation for the marijuana. Okay, you're in my custody. I'm detaining you. I'm going to put handcuffs on you.
Right.
Then you can change your mind, right?
That's the way I used to train my trainees.
Yeah.
Never walk up to somebody and say, you're under arrest. Put your hands behind your back.
Yep.
Why would you do that?
Yep.
How about, sir or ma'am, let me talk to you for a second. You know what? We're going to figure some stuff out. I'm going to put you in handcuffs now. I don't want you doing anything stupid. I mean, I don't like to use for our safety and yours. I know a lot of people say that, but you have weed on you. I'm going to hook you up real quick, write you a ticket, and then you're going to be out of here. It doesn't mean you're under arrest. I used to say that all the time. You're not under arrest. You're just being detained.
Yep.
You put the handcuffs on.
Do your business.
As soon as the handcuffs are on, you do your business. 10 minutes later, you come back and you say, oh, you know what? A records check revealed you have warrants for your arrest.
Yep.
Now you're under arrest.
And the situation is totally under control.
She's already in cuffs.
Yeah.
You're good. So that's the way I used to train my guys, and it worked. It keeps you out of a lot of fights. Yeah. So, no, that's a good point. That's a good point.
Donuts. 12. We got 12 to give away.
I'm going to have to go with 4. What do you think? I mean,
he could use a few less donuts.
He what?
He could use a few less donuts, but
he could. Yeah, he was a big boy. He was a big boy.
I'll go with 4.
4 is good?
Yep.
All right,
4 is a good number.
We'll give him 4 donuts.
Right.
I mean, he did what needed to be done. He got shot, returned fire. That's all good. It's just if he would have done it better from the beginning, it wouldn't have led to all those bad things happening to him. So, okay, 4 donuts. All right, leave your comments below. If you think it was a good shoot, bad shoot, let us know how you feel about it. We also have a new email if you want to ask 2 cops any question in the world, and we will answer it on video.
Let's not get too crazy with
All right,
that,
let's not get too crazy. Let's keep it
Related.
friendly. It's at ask@LVCopsTV. So hit us up there. We'll answer you live on video. Like and subscribe, all that stuff. Hit the next video here or here, wherever it is. Just hit it.
And for those who are still serving, have a safe tour duty.
And make a difference in someone's life. Stay classy, Las Vegas.
Always.